Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a word that's incredibly useful, especially if you work with tech or just want to make small improvements to things. Tweak.
Yeah, and if you listen to our everyday 3-minute English episode, Friday Stand-Up in a software product team, you probably heard this word when the product team was talking about improving the user experience.
Exactly, so what does tweak mean? It's basically a small adjustment or modification you make to improve something. It's not a complete overhaul, just a little change to make things better.
Right, and it works as both a noun and a verb. You can tweak something or you can make a tweak to something. The word originally meant to pinch or pull sharply, but now it's all about fine-tuning.
Let me give you some examples. In tech, you might say, we need to tweak the button color to make it more visible, or the app is good but it needs a few tweaks before launch.
And it's not just for tech, you can use it anywhere. Like I tweaked my morning routine to save time, or this recipe is almost perfect, just needs a little tweak with the seasoning.
Exactly, it's such a versatile word. Whether you're adjusting a design, changing your schedule, or modifying settings, tweak is the perfect word for small, helpful changes.
So to recap, tweak means to make a small adjustment to improve something. It's casual, practical, and you'll hear it all the time in everyday English and professional settings.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Try using tweak in your conversations this week and see how naturally it fits. See you next time.